I'm Jan.
I'm Dave. We are the Acoustic RVers. Welcome to our channel.
Today we are getting ready to go on our extended motorhome trip across the United States, and we're just gonna video a few things that we're doing to prepare ourselves to pack our motorhome. I don't want to leave my style behind. So we measured off the closet rod in our motorhome, which is 54 inches. I tied a ribbon at 50 inches, and this is the frame of our king-size bed that I'm using in our bedroom. And so that's how much space we had to use. And all of Dave's clothes and all of my clothes are actually in this space with room for the hangers to slide a little bit. We got these shoe storage units here, one for Dave, which has his jeans, his sweaters, his bathing suit, his jammies, and his shoes. And this has all of my shoes and my jeans. And I found this really cool thing to take along your jewelry. Actually, this thing it was like this long, which was too long for us, so I cut it off. But it works good. There is all my rings, necklaces, and earrings, which fit right in there. We saved on storage by double hanging pants. Those are all of my pants. And we did the same thing with shirts. Believe it or not, I have 6 dresses. I have 5 skirts. I have shirts for each of the 5 skirts. We have a winter lightweight, or we have a lightweight coat, we have a heavyweight coat, and everything else you could imagine is on this rack.
Hi, Jan and I, when we go on the road, we're going to play some music, do some campfires, and hopefully play out some places. So we're going to bring our equipment here, and we're going to put it in the vehicle that we're going to tow behind the motorhome. So we have our amplifier here, and it's battery powered, so we don't need to plug in anywhere. Also, our mixer board is also battery powered. We're going to hook our microphones and our guitars into the mixer board, which goes into the amp. We have our box full of other equipment here. We've got an air board, tambourine, shakers, and of course Jan's harmonicas. She's quite the harmonica player. We have our guitars here, of course, our microphone stands, and we also have some books made up, so if we're around a campfire, people can sing along. If they bring musical instruments, they can play along with us. And we also have our cajon, which Jan will sit on when she plays the drums. So we're looking forward to it. It's going to be a lot of fun.
Well, now I'm packing up my makeup, our toiletries, and we don't want to put these in the motorhome just yet until the day we leave because it is cold here. Our motorhome is winterized. We don't want anything to freeze. So one of the things I've done is I found these little plastic containers actually at the Container Store, and they were all this size right here. But Dave actually cut some of them down so that we could have 2 together, and it would be the exact size of one of the shelves inside our medicine cabinet. So we have all our products in all these little trays right here ready to go. And for my makeup, I found this cool little thing that holds all my makeup. I actually did sit down, put on my makeup at home. Every single thing I used, I went out and bought a second one of to stock this so that I know it's going to work and it's going to have everything I need. And it's actually going to Velcro down for travel onto the counter next to our sink. These trays, this is Dave's tray right here. We have 2 bathroom doors in the motorhome. Drawers. We have 2 bathroom drawers in the motorhome, and this just fits in Dave's drawer. And then the other one over here just fits in my drawer. And I found this a cool little makeup bag at Ulta Beauty, and in here I found a great hair dryer that folds up and actually fits inside of here. This is also a folding travel mirror with lights, which I'm going to use to put on my makeup. And in here you can see I have my hair dryer, I have my mousse, I have my brush, I have my comb, everything I need to do my hair. So we're trying to be as compact as we are, but that's beauty on the road. Please subscribe to our channel. We're uploading new videos every couple of days while we're on the road. If you want notifications of when we put up a new video, ring the bell below. And until then, happy RVing.